Good day everyone, I am Cassandra Angela B. Lapuz from St. Dominic class and I will do a Boyle's Law experiment. According to an Irish chemist, Robert Boyle, who formulated the Boyle's Law, pressure and volume are inversely proportional. When pressure increases, the volume decreases, and vice versa. This applies when we are breathing. Now, let's make a lung model. These are the materials that we are going to use. This balloon will represent our lung, and this bottle will serve as our body. Also, we need to make a hole that will serve as our mouth, using a thumbtack. Now let's make our lung model. And we're gonna poke a hole. Our own breathing is a significant example of Boyle's Law in action. The volume of our chest cavity generally increases and decreases when we inhale and exhale. As a result, our lungs experience low pressure and high pressure, which causes air to be drawn into and out of them. Now, let's try our lung model. When I put pressure inside or exhale, the volume of the lung or the balloon decreases. Did you see that? However, if I breathe in, making the pressure decrease, the volume of the lung or the balloon increases. Let's try it again by inhaling and exhaling. This experiment shows how the Boyle's Law works and how pressure is inversely proportional to volume. When I took out air from the empty bottle, the volume of the balloon increases. And as I put more pressure inside the bottle, the balloon deflated. Boyle's Law is relevant to the functioning of the lungs because the lungs are essentially a system of air-filled sacs that expand and contract during breathing. The pressure inside the lungs and the volume of the lungs are inversely proportional to each other according to Boyle's Law. During inhalation, the diaphragm and the muscles between the ribs contract, causing the volume of the chest cavity to increase. This decrease in pressure in the chest cavity causes air to rush in through the nose and mouth and into the lungs, filling the expanded air sacs. During exhalation, the diaphragm and the muscles between the ribs relax, causing the volume of the chest cavity to decrease. This increase in pressure in the chest cavity causes air to be pushed out of the lungs and out through the nose and mouth. Boyle's Law explains that as the volume of the lungs increases during inhalation, the pressure inside the lungs decreases, allowing air to flow into the lungs. As the volume of the lungs decreases during exhalation, the pressure inside the lungs increases, forcing air out of the lungs. The law also explains why changes in pressure, such as those caused by diving or flying at high altitudes, can affect the functioning of the lungs. And that's all for Boyle's Law. Thank you for watching!